feel like we have to start saying that we're not going to coddle these people. We're not going to keep saying, oh, that's just my grandma, that's just the way she is. Well, we started off after dealing with the political season in 2016 with the presidential campaigns. The most popular one is Columbus was a murderer. I think that was the most accessible to everyone, and I also think that people are really tired of the way we whitewash history. We make heroes out of these people who did horrific things. I absolutely want them to be a catalyst for people to educate themselves and their relatives or their friends or whoever's in their personal circle who they know their beliefs are, you know, a little bit more negative towards people of color or other marginalized groups, and they vote in the way that they believe. We're not going to keep saying, oh, that's just my grandma, that's just the way she is. We have to say, no, she needs to sit down, she needs to get on Google, and she needs to read, you know, about what she's voting for, how this affects people of color, and why she might feel these ways, and why it's outdated, why it's not the truth.